Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by enabling WhatsApp media visibility so images can appear in your gallery. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Chats, and toggle media visibility on. Once done, force close the gallery app and reopen it so it rescans. If you're on Android, make sure the WhatsApp Images folder does not contain a no media file, remove it and refresh. These steps let the gallery index photos automatically, so you don't have to save each image manually. Now save and relocate any photos you want in the gallery. In the chat, long press an image and tap Save or Download. This stores it in WhatsApp's media folder. Next, open your file manager and navigate to /WhatsApp/media/WhatsApp images. Copy the files you need and paste them into DSIM or Pictures, which most gallery apps treat as camera roll. By moving images into those standard folders, the gallery will index them quickly. To finish, automate downloads and handle common issues so photos always appear. In WhatsApp, enable auto-download for images under Settings, right arrow Storage and Data so incoming photos save automatically. If images don't show, clear the gallery app cache or use a media rescan option so the system reindexes files. Make sure storage permissions are granted to WhatsApp and your gallery. If problems persist, check for a no media file in folders, remove it. Then restart the device. This usually resolves indexing failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.